Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today we are comparing two innovative laundry solutions designed for small living spaces. The Bench Portable Washing Machine, which boasts a 16-liter capacity and a foldable design, and the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer, known for its robust construction and effective spin drying capabilities. Whether you're a traveler, a student, or simply looking to save space, this comparison will help you find the perfect fit for your laundry needs. Let's dive in. The Bench Portable Washing Machine is designed for maximum portability with its foldable feature, making it easy to store and transport. Weighing only 4.5 pounds, it can fit under beds or in travel bags. In contrast, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer, while more robust, is a heavier, non-foldable unit at 14 pounds, requiring more dedicated storage space. If you're looking for a machine that you can easily take on the go, the Bench is the clear winner. When it comes to capacity, the Bench Portable Washing Machine offers a volume of 16 liters, making it suitable for small items like socks and underwear. However, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer has a load capacity of 5.5 pounds, allowing it to handle slightly bulkier items. If you need to wash larger batches of laundry, the Elevon may be the better choice. The Bench Portable Washing Machine features a basic spin basket for light dehydration, which may not be sufficient for heavier loads. On the other hand, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer offers a dedicated spin drying capability, ensuring better moisture removal. For those who prioritize effective drying, the Elevon stands out with its superior dehydration performance. In conclusion, both the Bench Portable Washing Machine and the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer have their unique strengths. If portability and ease of storage are your top priorities, the Bench is an excellent choice. However, if you need a more robust machine with better capacity and dehydration capabilities, the Elevon Mini Spin Dryer is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.